Hey, what's up, traders? Today, I am going to show you the key apps you need to start trading forex on your mobile. It doesn't matter if your phone is old or small. As long as you can download from your App Store and Play Store, you are ready to start your trading journey. So, to start trading on your phone, the first thing you need is, of course, your mobile device, and you also need a reliable internet connection. After that, you head over to your App Store or Play Store to start downloading the necessary apps. In my own case, I will be using an Android phone. Yeah, this is a Samsung Galaxy A03. It's a phone with a very low memory. Just to show you that you can always do this on any kind of phone as long as you can connect to internet and download, and there's still enough space to download all this app. You are good to go. And I'll be showing you everything practically from A to Z. Now let's get straight to business. The first app to download is TradingView. TradingView is a charting platform. Simply put, this is where you will see the price movement of different currency. You can view real-time price charts, use tools to analyze trend, and figure out best time to buy or sell. TradingView also help you to understand how market is moving, whether the price is going up or down. You can predict the future movement using tools and indicator it offers. Now let's go over to Play Store and download TradingView. Let me start by screen recording my phone. Okay, now we go to Play Store. Yeah, from Play Store we search for TradingView. Yeah, you see it's the first one that come up. You install it. After installing, you just open. You can always continue with your Gmail. You don't really need to like start registering from start. Just continue with your email direct. For the purpose of this video, let me just go directly to the chart. So basically you can just come to chart here. You can always edit this place. You can always edit the chart to suit your to suit to suit you, and then yeah, you are good to go. The next on our list is MetaTrader. There's two types of MetaTrader. There's MetaTrader 5, which is 75, and MetaTrader 4, which is 74. MetaTrader is a trading platform. This is the app where you execute trades, meaning where you actually buy and sell currency. You can analyze your trade on TradingView and then open MetaTrader to open your trade. It's a powerful tool that give you access to the global currency market. The good news is, as a newbie, you don't need to risk your own money immediately. MetaTrader allows you to open a demo account, letting you practicing with fake money in the real market condition. Quick note on broker. A broker is a company or platform that allows you to trade with real money. It connects you to the forex market where you can buy and sell currency. As a beginner, it's important to research on brokers that are well regulated and have good reputation. There are many options available, so take your time to find the best fit. For me, I use SNES for currency market and Deriv for synthetic market. I have included the link to my recommended broker in the description below. Use my link to register, and you can always fund when you are ready to move to live trading. Now let's go over and search for MetaTrader. You can choose either MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 based on preference. For me, I'll be using MetaTrader 5. So you can just search MT5 and it will pop out. Yeah, and install it. After installing, go ahead and click on open and click on accept. You see, you can open a demo account straight from here. Register. In my own case, I don't want to register anything because I have the one I'm using on my phone. So this is just a spare phone, so I don't want to register anything here. So it's very easy to register. From this code here, you can click on get started and click on this plus sign. Click on meta code limited, and you'll be asked to like open a demo account. You click here, but then you still have to fill this. I don't really want to fill this, so you can always do that and choose the amount you want from like 3,000 to like $500,000. So all these are fake money that you can use to test the market. So that's that about that. Finally, the next app is Forex Factory. Forex Factory is a news and event app. In forex trading, the markets move because of important events like interest rate announcements or job report. Forex Factory show you these news events so you can plan your trade around them. Knowing what is going on in the world helps you avoid surprise market movement. Forex Factory gives you a schedule of upcoming upcoming news so you are prepared. Now let's go over and search for Forex Factory. In my own case, I'll just download this Forex calendar. So after downloading, you click on open and agree. You can allow this, or if you like, you can allow. You can. I'll just click on don't allow because I don't like notification coming to my phone. For you, you can do whatever you like later. So today is Saturday and there is no news event. You can always check on any date you want to, like let's check for yesterday. So these are the news events for yesterday. And you can also filter this to show like only important news. You can just like work your way around this till you understand it. It's very easy to understand. So that is that about Forex Factory. So the major app you need to start trading on your mobile is just these three apps: TradingView, MT5, and Forex Factory, which I have already downloaded on my mobile here, as you can see. Additional trading tips for you guys is why this app will get you started. Remember, trading forex carry risk. Never trade money you can't afford to lose, and make sure you understand the market before diving in with real funds. The demo account is your best friend as you get comfortable with the tools and learn to manage your risk. And there you have it. With this app, TradingView, MetaTrader, and Forex Factory, you are all set to start trading forex on your mobile phone. No matter how simple your phone is, as long as you can access the internet and download from the Play Store, you are good to go. Again, don't forget to start with demo account, get comfortable with the tools, and when you are ready to trade live, check out the broker I have linked in the description below. In my next video, I will talk about how you can learn forex for free from beginner to pro, and how you can get a prop account to support your trading journey. Make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on post notification for my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.